What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Joe, and we are back with another video. So if you haven't seen my Heat unboxing, please make sure you watch that. I'm gonna leave a link right here. Watch that before you watch this video, and I am going to give you guys the scoop on the Heat box and is it worth it. So if you guys have been on the channel for a while, you know that we have done a review of the Heat box before. The box we have today is gonna be the $400 value box. They say it's at least worth $1,000. So without further ado, we're gonna jump into the clip. So the first item that we have today is going to be the Panjai hoodie. Now before you start, you're saying, what's Panjai? I don't know, but I've been seeing a lot of Instagram ads for Panjai, and it just so happened that I got one of their hoodies in my box. So drum roll please. Here we have the gray Panjai hoodie. I think I'm saying it right. I hope it's not Panji and I'm butchering the name. Panjai, it does have some writing right there, as you guys can see. It's a pretty cool hoodie. It fits nice. I've been telling myself I do want a couple more zip up hoodies. It is zip up right there. It does have the brand name going in the back right there. Right there, you can see it. Bam. Okay, cool. So you did get to see it right there. It's a pretty solid hoodie. I did put it on. It's a little short though. So I'm gonna say it's probably good for layering, you know, layer with a long tee or a long oversized tee. You know, some sweats. I'm a sweats kind of guy, so that's probably what I want to wear this in. And the value for this hoodie is actually $175. Make sure you guys are keeping tally because we're gonna add this up and see if Heat kept their promise. All right, so without further ado, into the next item, and this is easily the most expensive item that we got in this box. I like it. I mean, it's cool. I'm not really, like, y'all know I'm not a designer person. Y'all don't see me wearing too much designer. I wear Palm Angels. I did the haul, but that's about it. The next item is gonna be this Givenchy shirt that we have today. It is in yellow, and I believe this is a collab. When I looked it up, this is a collab. When I was trying to figure out, you know, how much it was worth. It is a collab, I believe so, but this is sold out everywhere. They have it in black, and I believe they have it in white, and they have this yellow colorway right here. This shirt comes in, are you ready? At a whopping $394. If I'm wrong, I think it was off by a couple dollars. This is a $394 shirt. The box alone is $400. So right there, we have our value for this box. Make sure you're keeping tally because we're not done yet. So our next item is going to be none other than a Heron Preston accessory. Are you ready for it? I'm gonna open the bag and you'll see what's inside. All right, so we have a Heron Preston belt. These belts are kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I don't even wear a belt. This is you ready? An $175 belt. So bam. All right, so we have two items worth $175. We're gonna round that up to 200 a piece, right? So 200 a piece, because obviously if you pay taxes and shipping all that stuff, 200 a piece. 200 per item. That's $400 for two of our items right there. So then we have the $400 shirt, and let's say $425 because shipping. So 400 plus 400, 800 plus that shipping, $25. This is a $825 box. I paid $400 for this box. So to answer your question, is Heat worth it? This is definitely worth it. If you're like, you know what, I have a budget of $400, but I want to get a couple things, they like designer, get a Heat box. It is definitely worth the money. You literally get your value back and then some. Heat box is definitely worth it. Paid $400 and it is worth $800. So they kept their promise. But yeah, if you like this video, if you want to get a Heat box, let us know down in the comments. But yeah, until next time, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Peace.